Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese brine. Brining is a fundamental step in cheesemaking, essential for developing flavor, controlling moisture, and forming a protective rind. It also plays a vital role in inhibiting undesirable bacterial growth, ensuring your cheese ages beautifully. Understanding this process is key to crafting delicious, well-preserved cheeses. Let's dive into the simple, yet precise, method for creating your perfect brine solution. To create an effective 18% cheese brine, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with 2 liters of water and 450 grams of non-iodized salt. This specific salt prevents issues with your cheese cultures. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to help balance the pH, aiming for a range of 4.5 to 5.0. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of calcium chloride solution to prevent your cheese from losing its essential calcium. Understanding your iPhone's date and time settings is straightforward. The main path is always through Settings, then General, and finally Date and Time. Here, you control whether your device automatically updates its time based on your location or if you prefer to set it yourself. You can also adjust the 24-hour time format if that suits your preference. Keeping these settings correct ensures your calendar, alarms, and messages are always accurate. When using your brine, it's important that both the cheese and the brine are at a similar cool temperature, ideally around 13 degrees Celsius, to prevent oversalting. Submerge your cheese completely, and if it floats, sprinkle a little extra salt on the exposed surface. Remember to flip the cheese halfway through its brining time for even salt absorption. You can store your brine in a sealed container in the refrigerator for several months, and even reuse it after boiling and filtering if it becomes cloudy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.